Party, party. Okay, I'm too old for this. Hey guys, so it's the weekend. So today I'm going to do a bit of room transformation. I'm going to change my normal bedroom into a studio, a recording studio for my YouTube channel. So I will show you the things that I bought and maybe review a bit of them, and then maybe a bit of, you know, DIY, how to do that, you know, that backdrop and then stuff like that. So it's a bit mishmashy, but let's see what's gonna happen for this video. So I'll edit a bit for you guys so you guys can check it out. And I'm gonna mix bahasa lah because ialah bahasa jiwa bangsa. So check it out. So I'm halfway done, and it's around noon, already 12 o'clock. So I'm done with this part of my room. I'm gonna do like the other part of my room over here. So let's hope that it looks amazing so that we can do a lot of vlogs here. I've got like two stuff that I bought from Shopee. I think this should be a ring light because you need like good lighting in your video. And yang ni is the background for my video. Okay guys, oops. So I've just finished eating my lunch, and right now I'm continuing my project for this studio bedroom. Right now I've done with my one setup. I'm doing my second setup. So in order for you to do this, you need this kind of thing from IKEA. I just bought it from IKEA. I think it's 20 plus bucks, so that you can hang your it's like curtain rod, but you put two holes like this, so you can hang one of your how to say, one of your screens here or screen here. Currently I have like two colors, so but I only have like one rod right now, so I just put it here. I'll put it here later for you to see how does it do. So there's another one, so I'll hang it on top here, and then so I think it's 2:30 right now, 2:30. And I think this is the final product. I mean, I haven't kemas my room. It's a mess right now, but I've installed the, how to say, the curtain rolls where you have the colored background on top here, so it looks good. I will iron out the crease tonight with my steam iron. Hopefully it will work. And yeah, I guess that's it. It looks so good, and I think it looks more like a studio right now. Alright, so I just finished, actually did everything inside this room, and then it looks good. I'm gonna show you a bit of montage on what things that I did in my room and what decor I did to make this room a recording studio. Okay, to be honest, this is not the best setup that one could have for YouTube channel, but this is what I can do in a short period of time. The thing that I bought over MCO in Shopee, you can decide whether you want to put it in your shopping cart or not and purchase it for the next round if you want to have your own YouTube setup. To me, I like the neons and stuff, but it doesn't look that nice per se in my camera because I'm just using my Note 9 camera. I don't have DSLR, but if you have DSLR, that will be better. Or you have mirrorless right now, or point and shoot like G7X Mark III or Mark II, or maybe the new Sony camera, which I'm aiming for, Sony ZV-1. That one is, they say, is perfect for vlogging. So if you want that, then that's your choice. So I'm currently vlogging at my current setup. So this is a table I bought here in Betong, just a normal neighborhood kedai. Or if you have Aeon next to you, that would be perfect. They have like this banquet table you can lipat, and you put here. That's just 79 ringgit. That's a steal. If you go to IKEA, there's a lot of choices. Come on, IKEA, the best. Okay, this is my current, okay, you can't see it, but this is the Boya lavalier mic. I'm using it to record the audio that you're currently hearing right now. For me, it's an amazing audio for you to get for below 50 ringgit. This is superb. Hey, testing on audio. I mean, this is the clean audio, so I hope it doesn't take the noises outside. Hey everyone, I'm talking on Boya. What I like about this is you can directly put it in your camera, or you can directly put it in your smartphone. Like me, I don't have a dedicated camera right now, but if you just cucuk kat dalam tu, awesome. So this keyboard from Logitech, so you can you know, work using Bluetooth, and then you can just work from far away from your bed, from your couch or anything. It's seriously useful for you if you like it. Yeah, this is a good one for you. This is my ring light. You can actually kawal benda ni lah, like, you know, changing it different color, boom, 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 or different intensity like this, like brighter, 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 brighter. My LED light, this one I bought over in Shopee, a rainbow one, and also a bad one because, you know, it's Corona time. Coronavirus! Okay, this is my LED light that I put so that you can see the ambience of light here. Want to know some magic, guys? So the LED just now that I show you, there's like, you can actually change the color like this, you know, when you go one, okay, you don't want this blue color, you change it to purple, and it's purple, boom. Or if you want to change it to blue, blue. Or you want to change it to red. Okay, if like scary story and macam ni lah, tukar red. Or if you want to have some party, you can change it like this. Party, party. Okay, I'm too old for this. This is my cable management stuff. There's a lot of things you can put here. There's like USB port, and also the normal port for you to put all your plugs in. And the nice thing about this is, you know, you can activate it by just like this. Okay, this is off, and then you can switch it on. Boom. Okay, so this is one of my favorite things also. Just now in the montage, you can see that this is my current yellow background. Oh, boleh kah? Okay, so this is some kind of background for me to record, like if I want to do mukbang or if I want to do review. This is a perfect background that's yellow in color. I haven't figured out about the lighting yet. I think I know how, but you know, it's a journey. I have to figure out how I want to do this background so that I can work in my favor. But I think it's a good purchase because it's just 40 ringgit untuk background macam ni, and there's not a lot of crease, so you know, to iron it out. It's shipped from overseas, from China, so it took me around 1 month for it to come. Okay, so overall, this is my current YouTube setup. I know this video is a bit messy because I compiled it in such a short time, but I think you know, fair is fair. This is my first YouTube setup. If you guys have any idea how to make it better, or you know, in the future upgrade it, let me know. I'm open to suggestions. Yeah, you will see this background inside my YouTube videos after this, where I can where I do a bit of review, I do a bit of, you know, just ranting about life, about COVID-19, or about anything. So I hope you guys are entertained right now. This is like my hard work that I put inside my video. The things that I spent, honestly, it's not much compared to other people. Fairly cheap. So if you want to invest in this thing, why not? I mean, it level up your YouTube value or make people watch more of your channel. So yeah,